Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com and I'm currently on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. Right now I am in a Courtyard Penthouse with balcony. It's in the Haven complex on board the Encore and you're going to absolutely love it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So right when you come in, just point out a few things. You've got the temperature control here. Do not disturb, makeup room. It's nice, you just turn it on or off. You don't have to step out of the room for that. One thing I did want to point out is you have to have the key card in there at all times. Otherwise it will shut off the electrical in the room. This is a cost saving effort, but also it is about safety is what they let you know. And there's a nice little night light here as well. This is where you're going to control the lighting right in here. Okay, and then right as you get in, you've got a little tiny bit of storage here on the side, and then you have your dry bar. So you've got wine glasses, champagne glasses up here, Nespresso, espresso, and coffee cups up there as well. You've got your Nespresso maker. I have one every single morning at home, so I love having this on board. In fact, yeah, I'm looking forward to my next cruise where I get to have this, and it's coming up very shortly. So here you've got the Nespresso pods that they will replace as you like. Okay, under here you've got more storage, and then you also have the full refrigerator here. It is currently locked right now. When they're doing the inaugurals like this, sometimes that's happening. And you also have silverware here. Because this is a Haven room, you can have your meals served in your room if you like. So go ahead and follow me on in here. I'm going to start in the bathroom and the kind of a walk-in closet area. So you've got closets here to hang up. You also have the plush robes. They're really, really soft and nice. And then also the slippers, the full golf umbrella here as well. So let me just shut that. There we go. So there's no additional storage on this side, but it does have a full-length mirror, which is great for getting ready. You've got storage here, so you've got a safe. It's small, not big enough for a laptop, but great for passports and wallets and things like that. You've got storage here, then you got some pull-out storage there as well. Okay. You also have some more hanging storage here as well. All right, so let me show you why this is such a great room for couples or families. So when you come in here, you've got a big bathtub. They've got the bath salts in there, L'Occitane upgraded bath amenities, which are fantastic. You also have basically the car wash shower head, and then you also have the rainforest shower as well. So if you do have a family, like I've got an almost 4-year-old, this is a perfect option for us because we love having the bathtub for her, and we can throw her in there, and then having the shower for us, that combo as well is really nice, and sometimes she takes a shower too. So that side over here, you only have one vanity. There is two spigots here, but really there's just kind of the one vanity area. There's not a ton of room to put away stuff, but you have some storage. Sorry, that's trash over there. And then you have storage over here as well. So that's really the only storage where you can put things away completely in the bathroom. I don't love that, but once again, it is an absolutely beautiful bathroom. We've got the toilet just in there in a separate space, which is nice. And then a little bit more storage up here as well. And then for me, I'm 6'6", I've got a little more storage up there as well. So not everybody can utilize that. So, all right, go ahead and follow me on in here. What you'll see is a massive bed. This is a full king size bed. It's really, really beautiful. What I've noticed with all the rooms on the Encore is I think they are the most beautifully decorated rooms on any Norwegian ship, and maybe any ship in this kind of class, mega ship in the entire world. I've really, really been blown away by it so far. So on the side here, you have your light controls. You have a couple USB ports as well. There's 2 of them. You have your phone here, storage underneath, and then a little storage there as well. You've got your reading light, as well as it being backlit, and you also have a little lamp here. And then on the ceiling, it's meant to be like laying in bed and looking up at the stars. So you've got the controls with them, but it's just a really beautiful, ambiance addition to the room. So over here, you're gonna have the area to get ready. So you've got a nice little seat there. You've got your hair dryer here that's standard in all rooms. Okay. You've got your ship phone right there. You've got a nice plug, a US plug there, and then right here you have a magnifying mirror, basically a nice vanity area to get ready. Champagne's gonna come in really, really soon in just a few minutes. You've got storage under the TV here, and then there you are going to have the flat screen TV that you can move and turn as you like. A very tiny bit of storage there and a little more storage here, but this is a full table. So once again, being that you're in the Haven, you can have it served course by course here, which I really, really like. And so you've got 2 chairs there. You can pull the other one as well. They'll bring one in if you want to host some friends. This is basically how you would turn it into having the 3rd passenger in here. But my daughter, like I said, this would be a perfect room for our family. So now I want to head out onto the balcony and show you kind of what the rest of the room is all about. All right, so now we're heading out on the balcony. So balconies in the Haven staterooms are my absolute favorite because I love having coffee on the balcony. I love eating on the balcony, and having that butler that can allow you to do that is really, really great, just to sit back, relax, and let them take care of that. So you see they have these oversized chairs on the balcony right here. I'm a pretty big guy, and they are absolutely huge. They can also take the table from inside and put it out here as well. So really good sized balcony. I'm pretty impressed with this one because, like I said, I'm really tall and I can't quite reach it. So you're also looking straight out the side of the ship, which adds to quite a bit of privacy. Right above us, there is another balcony here because we're on deck 17. That's going to be up on 18, but the ones on 17 here does have a bigger balcony as well, and it's pretty private because when you're under here, you have full privacy. There's a light out here as well, but you can see pretty good size. So let's head on back inside. So I hope you love this absolutely beautiful room. I do. Like I said, for myself with a family of 3, it's an absolutely perfect room, but it's also a really great option for just a couple that's traveling or even 2 friends that are traveling, because you get all the amenities that come with the Haven along with this really beautifully decorated, incredibly comfortable room. When you're ready to book this suite, reach out to Har Travel. We are your absolute Norwegian suite experts. We know the Haven inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with them, so we know that we can make sure that your money goes the farthest and you have the vacation of a lifetime.